Hello, today I'm going to make these Christmas trees. I'm going to make this with 4 sheets of paper, a glue stick, and the scissors, and some colored glue, and 3 types of colors of sticky glitter paper. Take an A4 sheet and some scissors. First, we have to fold it and make it like this again and cut the line. One part has to fold like a triangle. Then we have to cut the big rectangular body. See, now it's a square piece. And we'll fold it again to a triangle shape, then cut into lines. Unfold it. Then we'll need the glue stick and then glue it like this, and the other one, and put it like this. That's an option. We'll leave the second one alone. Now it's the third one. Glue it up. We then repeat it all the way up to the top. One side is finished. Now we'll go to the other side. Everything is pasted now. Pasting is all done. And now for this sticky paper that was been glittered. And we'll use this sticky paper to decorate our Christmas tree.